Welcome to 55 Mill Plain Road in Danbury, Connecticut. This two-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhouse is located in the popular Westwood Village complex and is conveniently located for an easy New York commute, shopping, and restaurants. Over the past year, the current owner has had the interior painted, laminate flooring installed on both the main and upper floors, new toilets, added 2 ceiling fans, upgraded the kitchen exhaust to outside, added a water filter under the kitchen sink, installed icemaker line to refrigerator, changed lights to LED, and replaced all the kitchen appliances. One pet is allowed in the unit, and the complex dog park is located close by. The complex's playground and pool are both within walking distance of this home. Tesla Level 2 fully mounted 240V car charger in the garage can be purchased separately for $500. TV mount over the fireplace stays. This unit is ready to go. Seller can accommodate a quick closing. Contact Bob and Richelle Ward to see this beautiful condo today.